ocean, candy paint, stay wetter than the rain. Come to Houston, I'ma show you how to swing. Grew up on that H-Town shit, big mo, big chain, big cars, big rims, big bang. On the south side, we talking about main, change hoes like I change clothes and change lanes. Look, yeah, Southwest resident, fuck politics but love dead presidents. Do the thing, lead the scene, leave no evidence. While y'all act like 6ix9ine to stay relevant. All these hoes on IG, always out on vacation, but we know the type of dudes that's gonna take them.
I just pray for them, baby.
Get a tan, but what's the price that they paying? Your pride is worth more than the post that you making. Baby girl, I'm just saying, candy red with the leather so soft, looking clean, make a scene and burn off. Yeah, T2 in the big church dog, gon' ride the beat till this shit turn off, till this shit turn off.
Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard.
This, that, nostalgic kind of vibe. S10 for a banger back in 2009. No shoes, no shirt, temperature be 89. Little honey from the river with some fresh tan lines. This, that puffin' on some chronic, got the window slide. Bumpin' best day ever back when Mac was alive. I can almost smell the parking lot when I close my eyes. Tell that big booty waitress need a shake with the fries. That's that LG chocolate roller skate them digits in. Back when ladies wasn't sliding in the Instagram DM. She had 21 questions, I was her best friend. Never said what's love got to do with it then. Ay.
I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard.
I swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard.
Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard.
Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard. Swear to God, we on some Southside shit. Whole squad on some Southside shit. Cause we go so hard.
I just give it gas, stomping to the flow. But 28's chopping with the truck, big dog. I just give it gas like the race don't end. My brakes ain't working nears to the side. I just give it gas, I just give it gas. 28's chop, truck, big dog. I just give it gas, I just give it gas. Brakes ain't working nears to the side. I just give it gas.
Ain't never seen it eat. Me never took a L. Back when I was broke, I still riding this something fresh as hell. Yeah, Hank Williams out the Memphis 12, Southside swerving boss hog in the Ocean Bay. Hillbilly got the flavor like a whole rack of ribs. Rebel flag, diamond ring, they shake my hand and they know what it is. Red Chevy, blue Ford, that's a Civil War. People treat me shitty, why would I be civil for? I stay quiet cause they ain't no use in helping folks. Cause they gon' fuck you over, leave you stranded out there all alone. Bitch, I'm bone stock, riding solo, no block. I'm a legend in the storm, call me Whitey, Nike shot. Just give it gas, stomping to the flow. But 28's chopping with the truck, big dog. I just give it gas like the race don't end. My brakes ain't working nears to the side. I just give it gas, I just give it gas. 28's chop, truck, big dog. I just give it gas, I just give it gas. Brakes ain't working nears to the side. I just give it gas. Like a beast and they know why. Cause they don't let me pop up at award shows looking too fly. Barbecue stain on my pearl button up. Tell a hating country singer, bitch, shut the fuck up. Yeah, I should have been born in the 70s. Because these young spiffy hippies be looking hella sketch of me. And my teeth chip like my new 6'7", all black like cash, front gate like heaven. Head filled with the raps like a 7-Eleven. I guess that's what I get for smoking weed down in the Southland. Up motherfucking church, smoking weed at the sermon. Passing Jesus fat joints, cause he's the one who wrote it. Just give it gas, stomping to the flow. But 28's chopping with the truck, big dog. I just limits, cause limits for people who dreaming part-time. The line cash walk, I kick the same one to the ditch side. We ain't walking and talking, not teleporting rich pines. Grew up painting houses, now my paint on a canvas. Illustrating ideas that never existed in my presence. Started passing ones who neglected this redneck's direction. Texas taught this redneck that Red Dead Redemption. And Tennessee made me one smoky ass bandit. Survival skills like Appalachia, mainstream thought I stranded. They must be a bunch of beavers always yelling at me, damn it. But don't at me cause they can't compete with a motherfucking savage. But a turn road, hill grown, barbed wire bandit in a smooth two-tone. Superstars been stuck in the city too long. They ain't riding like that round here no more. Riding with legs, wailing strings. Too much cash in my jacket, do the dash like I'm James Dean. Keep it moving like a chain, and a frame that you can't see, Jane. Heart pumping like neon till my chest glow like Superman. Ride down the strip in a drop top and you can watch the lights down. More bars than Nashville nightlife. Tell a tourist buy a flashlight. And CEOs to leave me alone or they a crash site. I keep the flame campfire. What keep me sane nighttime. 615 my whole life, knuckle scarred and I still fight. Batman building civilian. This black knight be too damn brilliant. No city snakes slick enough for this hillbilly reptilian. Not outside of no ceilings, no murder, but made a killing. Don't swallow pride cause I spit it, pony boy. This go to glisten. Valve covers on my engine, encrypted with hieroglyphics. No pins or composition. The way I do it, not comprehended. This a vengeance on the system. Can't mute the ones to listen. And what's a blueprint to us magicians? What's mainstream to blue jeans? Day one they was like who he? 10 years later looking through the window 2023. I'm him, motherfucker. This a trail, not a lane. And when I leave this motherfucker, this shit not gonna be the same. Hey. Turn road, hill grown, barbed wire bandit in a smooth two-tone. Superstars been stuck in the city too long. They ain't riding like that round here no more. Riding with legs, wailing strings. Too much cash in my jacket, do the dash like I'm James Dean. Keep it moving like a chase scene. And a frame that you can't see, James Dean. Super Sport Church. Hey, I dress like I don't give a fuck. I punch dents all in my truck. The CMAs don't like me none cause they know that I fuck shit up. I'm gonna show up white tee, blue jeans, smelling like some saggy weed. So damn how I wore a shirt that says the letters MTV. Bitch, I'm ballin', bitch, I'm winning, and I do it independent. Eric Cole, 615, I live inside the Batman building. Pulling up, Bruce Wayne, haircut like DiCaprio. He Titan on the mic, frankly, right that watch. Dukes of heaven in my DNA. I be trail, John Wayne in my Chevrolet. Super Sport, baby. Angels in the cabin, damn a flood in the cabinet. All I do in Music City, I reckon is make a record. Dukes of heaven in my DNA. I be trail, John Wayne in my Chevrolet. Super Sport, baby. Angels in the cabin, damn a flood in the cabinet. All I do in Music City, I reckon is make a record. Yeah, neons, oh neons, 90 model for a Freon. Ice cold with a short bed, 28 chopping like the steam on. Crack pot on the inside, bow tie getting baked out. Random text from Richie Bobby Jr. shit and dig up like here Rock's house. Elton John on the rocket out, talking about my stomping grounds. Stoner stone to the fucking bone, smoking witch fingers with the music loud. I'm George Strait if he chose rap, still living in a house on a prairie. I'm the shit, no constipation, can't milk me for my damn day.